Hello, Polysbus for UK here. Welcome to today's Game of Day video. Now today's game is Scumball for the ZX Spectrum. So let's have a look at this one. This is a game I've never heard of. So I found it on my archive, and yep. So let's change the controls. So we got controls here. We got Kempson, Sinclair cursor and keyboard. So I'll be Kempson. So I've got that plugged into the MMC, and yep, so let's start the game. It's 1987 by Peter Go, or Gauche, however you pronounce it. Anyway, so program graphics and game design by Peter Go. Guide Linda around the caves and collect the 8 grenades to kill the slime monster. Okay, so yep, let's start the game. Now, as you can see, you go through this recharging thing at the start, and then we are dropped straight in the action. So you got some bullets, have some of that. You can also jump. Okay, so yeah. Oh, you fuck. Summary poor. That wasn't too good of a start. Right, okay, let's continue on. Watch out for these guys, right, yeah? Whoa, it's raining indoors. Well, it's not indoors, is it? It's like some sort of weird world. Okay, so the balloons seem to generate the enemies. Oh, shit. Okay, let's try and run across here. Right, so this is like a multi-screen game, so there's probably loads of different screens you can explore. Quite cool, quite a lot of Spectrum games were like that, actually, where it was multi. Collect the battery. Right, okay, let's proceed on. Oh, you booner! So, yeah, okay, so we got a report. Summary report. Okay. Right, okay, so you get to start from here again, so that's good. So, yeah. Oh, no, straight in the... Hey, the hell do you jump across there? There we go, done it. Right, okay. Yep, so graphics very nice and colourful, nice and detailed in the environments, which is all good to see. Right, sound effects are minimalistic, but they do seem to work. Okay, there's another battery. So yeah, it does sort of remind me. Oh shit, there's that green slime monster, I think. So I think I have to get the grenades, like you said before. So you've got to try and find them wherever they are. Right, okay, let's try and jump up here. Right, it's not the easiest to jump because it's one of them games where it's up to jump, but they need the fire button to be able to shoot as well, of course. Right, okay. I like the fact that when you get killed, you start exactly from where you left off. You don't get an infinite amount of ships. Okay, so yeah, not very easy game. Okay, so okay, let's try and jump up here. Right, jump up here. Yeah, you only can jump, you can't sort of use a jetpack or anything. You only can jump, you can't use jetpack or anything like that. So you haven't got the additional bonus of the step up things like on Starquake, which is a game it reminds me of. Oh, you booner! So the border flashes sometimes as well. I think that might mean that time's running out or something, maybe. Okay. Oh, you fuck! Right. Right, okay, let's try and jump across here. Oh no. I tell you what, the jumping is it does get a bit frustrating after a bit. Oh, for fuck's sake. You are beating game over. Let's give that another blast. S to start. Recharging the batteries on the old Linda. And, okay. Here we go. Right. Okay. Right. Let's try and grab some 400 points. Oh, you fuck! I was trying to go for them 400 points. There we go. I've got the 400 points. So, yeah, let's continue on. 150 points. I haven't saw one of them grenades yet, though. That I talked about. Right. Okay. So what's that up there? You can jump quite high on the game. Not sure why that come on for. Okay. Right, okay, let's go down here. There's another one of them. Still got no grenades. It says on the top why you score where your grenades are. 7 grenades it says I've got remaining. So I haven't saw one yet. Okay, let's go back this way. Right, okay, watch out for these guys. Okay, down here. Yeah, still haven't found none of them grenades. Oh, straight in there. Right, okay, let's proceed on. No, I don't know the history of the game, but it's definitely a nice, colourful looking game. Right, oh, so you can get past that by jumping. Right, okay. Go down here. Where are these grenades? What's that down there? 600 points. I don't want points, I want grenades. Okay. Whoa, let's try up here. Ooh, nice narrow passageway. So I'm finding a lot of batteries and stuff, but still no grenades. That recharges your energy. You can see on the top left you've got your energies. No, I can't jump up there. Okay, let's go back down here and see what's down here. I haven't found one grenade yet. There must be that many rooms and not one grenade. Oh shit. I'm not sure what that flashing border means. I think it's when you collect that particular... Is that a grenade? No, still not a grenade. Yeah, there's loads of screens on this, isn't there? You've exploring this one for hours. Anyway, so that's a Scumball on the ZX Spectrum. I recommend that one because you've got loads of screens to explore, so it's a big exploration. And have a go on it and let me know if you can find some grenades. Anyway, I'm going to give Scumball a 8 out of 10. Really good fun. Thank you for watching.